Okay, welcome to another edition of Lion News. Lion News can be found at lionnews00.blogspot.com. What are we going to do today? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to talk to someone, this Tony Cornish, representative of District 24B, because we found out that Neil the Tamperer Nelson, who's a malicious prosecutor himself, is going to be contacting this Representative Tony Cornish, Representative 24B, in regards to court security. This is information out of the rag called the Pope County Tribune for this week of January 11th, 2012. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to call down to this Tony Cornish down here and find out tell him about Neil the Tamperer Nelson.
Representative Cornish's office.
Yeah, how are you doing today?
Good, how about you?
Super. Can't complain on a beautiful sunshiny day like today.
Yes.
Well, actually, it's not very nice here, but that's all right. Anyhow, is Representative Cornish around?
He just stepped out. Could I take a message?
Well, I was reading an article in the Pope County Tribune here for this week. It says that Neil Nelson, that's our county attorney here, is going to be meeting with Representative Tony Cornish in regards to his new legislation on court security.
Okay.
So anyhow, I just wanted to inform you that some information about Neil Nelson. He's probably want to keep an eye on him when he's there because he has a history of malicious prosecution, putting perjurers on the witness stand, withholding evidence, tampering with evidence. And this isn't my unsubstantiated opinion. I have been victimized by this person myself. And in fact, he engages in not prosecuting criminal cases and refusing to investigate them because I've filed criminal charges in Pope County here, and the Pope County Attorney's Office has buried two different cases, which of course implicate Neil Nelson and his firm. The case numbers 20101745 and 20112304. And this all stems from a fact that back in July 20th of 2007, the Pope County Sheriff's Department illegally broke into my house without a warrant, and that's court file number 61CR07599. And again, they claimed that they had a warrant, so it says right in the probable cause statement. Unfortunately, there never was a warrant, which is a matter of the public record. And this guy, Tim Riley, who's now the sheriff, he committed the perjury. It was the complaint was signed by Chad Larson, the former assistant Pope County attorney, and then signed by Judge John Staffshold. All right. So I've been maliciously prosecuted numerous times, and once by Neil Nelson himself, and that's what one of the criminal charges or criminal complaints is about. Let's see, it's 20101745, and again, it just disappeared into nothingness. So when you're dealing with people from lawless Pope County, you're dealing with two different sets of laws. One set for Neil Nelson and the other set for the decent people. So
I'll certainly relay this information on and let Representative Cornish know.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time.
Could I get your name also?
Sure, it's Terry, Terry, Dean, Dean, Nemmers, Nem as in Mary, M as in Mary, ERS.
Okay.
You want my phone number too?
Sure.
320-283-5713. And you're more than happy to call up Neil Nelson, and if you're recording this conversation, you can give him a copy of it. I have no problem with it at all. See, I can stand by what I say. It's all, like I said, it's all a matter of the public record. What I've said to you. So.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Terry.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
You have a good day.